Just so you don't waste multiple hours of your life searching the internet like I did, trying to find your non-existent wiring harness on your 2021 Ford F-53 chassis, I'll help you out. Okay, so down here, instead of the wiring that used to be on the old V10s, the new V8s with this steering wheel and this dash setup, that wire right there is your trailer brake wiring harness. Okay, I cut off this connector and how I've wired it up. There's a quick look at the wiring diagram that came with the kit. But I hooked the black wire from the controller to the red wire in the wiring harness, the white wire on the controller to the black wire in the wiring harness, the red wire on the controller to the small brown with a blue stripe wire, and then the blue goes to the blue. That's the kit there that I'm going to plug into the controller. And this is where I decided to install it on the dash. Good luck.